Good morning. Today we will not be hauling corn with this truck. It is snow removal day. This tire's low. We'll fill that tire up, put the box scraper on the 8330. Then I believe I'll get the 8530 out and put the blade on that one. So we will start scraping the farm, and then the blade will go over to my house. I'll do the house. I forgot to set markers, posts in the ground to mark where my gravel is and where my lawn is. So I have to scoop by hand probably and determine the boundaries of that. Determine the boundaries so that we can remove snow, and then we can go sledding, hopefully, this afternoon. All right, I will try not to get stuck. It looks very promising. I wonder if I should put my diff lock on, just to be safe. Yeah, I better get some momentum. That's definitely a big drift. Let's go over here. Oh, baby. It's a winter wonderland out here, folks. Oh, I'll definitely get stuck here. Just keep this boat out of the way. That looks good enough for now. We'll get the tractors out. Oh, well, there's the box scraper. That's what I need. Will I be able to fit through here? I was wondering where that was at. It's amazing how much tools and equipment you just have parked in the trees that you have to find at some point. Okay, we'll call that good. What a gorgeous day. Clearing snow can be really fun and exciting. It's been a couple years since I've done any significant amount, and so to be able to clear snow now is satisfying, therapeutic, it's enjoyable. Plus the sun is out. That just makes everything and everybody feel better. This is a good snow too. It packs in tight, it's heavy, it's wet, it's gonna have good moisture for the crops next year. Yeah, we'll get that second tractor up and running. Try not to run over any other equipment in here as I navigate through all these pieces of machinery. We'll adjust and sort through. Okay, 8530. Some of you guys remember a couple videos ago when I inflated this tire back on the rim. Well, the rim is damaged, and it's a temporary fix. I believe I am going to need a new rim because this tire is low. This tractor's probably been sitting for a month. See it bulging out a little bit down there. We'll go ahead and air it up. It'll last for today as we move snow, but we'll try to get this one fixed before planting season, probably. See, just like I said, satisfying. Getting these drives cleared out efficiently. Scoop to the side, try not to scrape the gravel off the road. Set your plow just right. And then go clear the snow for all the neighbors. We'll get this place done first, and then we'll go check on the neighbors, see if they need help digging out. Broken fence. Looks like my tire is holding up well. Let's have a windshield wiper on it. There we go. I should put auto steer on so I can film and not have to steer so much. Okay, quick update on what's going on. Cleared snow at the house, at the farm, and a couple of neighbors. Glad to do it. No big deal. Then I get a phone call from my son. He's stuck out of gas. I'm here. I brought gas. I'll fill it up. I will try to drive it up the hill because I can do that. If nothing else, we can just use this tow rope right here to pull it up, put it in the shop, maybe, or the garage. It can be ready to go again tomorrow. It's just only two-wheel drive. Maybe he could have made it. Never give up, kids. Like I tell my kids, you will never know for certain until you try. This is attempt number 7 in this little dune buggy. Feels good. Looks good. Are we having fun yet? But I'm up for the challenge. Now you guys are stuck with me. Sorry, you'll have to sit with me and we can burn rubber all night long. Now it's a challenge. This is a test. Make it out that side. Challenge accepted. I want to get up that hill so bad. It's like a sledding hill. I still think I can do it. Here we go. Jump in. Here we go. Yeah! We are so close. Hang tight, folks. Let's keep trying. Absolute momentum. Ah. And even with diff lock, it's not happening. We're going backward. It's a lot icier than I remembered. There's no excuses. Probably getting dangerous. 1/4 inch of ice, and we had before all this snow fell. Differential lock, 7.2 miles an hour. Can we make it out? Well, it's John Deere. Diff lock off. Let's go. Last run. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? I think we can make it. Pretty sure. Ooh. Ah, one take. Yeah! I found my line. I'm trying to rescue your go-kart. Absolute wrong way.
Oh, no.
I took the challenge. Way too much snow. This is impossible. Do you want to try it?
I would like to try it, yes.
So glad you're here, David.
Yes.
Ready?
Yep, here we go.
Do it. Go.
Start it out.
That's all it takes?
That's all it takes.
There's a sun?
That's it. You tried your best, Dad.
Life hands you snowy uphill roads. What do you do?
Drive up them. That's it. Yeah.
No more messing around.
Yeah, no one mess around. Sure.
Family for the win. Be smarter and work harder.